Hello everyone. Now let's see what are we going to do next. Here you need to just make the patterns like this, and then again taking another sheet, get the curves made in this manner. Further also you need to get the cutouts like this and then make the details and patterns like this. You need to attach them and arrange them in this way as we have done here. Keep on attaching and arranging, paste the clouds and all. Now what we need to do here, you need to just get the sheet folded, get a basket form, and now get the circle spirals made. You need to make a rose flowers out of it. Now just attach them. You need to paste the flowers as we are doing here, the 3 flowers, and it is yet cool and pretty. Now let's see what are we going to do. Again getting the sheets like this, get the tapes, attach them one over the other in this manner. Further what we need to do here, you need to get the sheets attached in this way. Further you need to just attach them in the manner as we are doing here, get them attached in this way, and your magic lamp is absolutely ready. Isn't it cool?